You are watching Voice Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am explaining you isometric projection of square prism which is having a hole in that. So what is the question? I will explain you. So guys, this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and this problem is of 10 to 15 marks for different branches. And please watch my videos till the end, and also share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. Now I will start my question. Draw the isometric projection of a square prism of base edge 40 mm and axis height 70 mm with a through square hole of 20 mm resting such that its parallel base edges are parallel to the VP. So for a square prism of base edge 40 mm means you are having a square, or it is a square prism. So having a base edges means it is of 40 mm sides and axis height 70 mm with a through square hole of side 20 mm means it's having a hole cut out here. So having a sides of 40 only, of square only. So resting such that its parallel base edges are parallel to the VP. Means this parallel edges should be parallel to the VP. Means this isometric projection we have to draw here. And if you see this square prism from the front view of this prism will be like this, like a rectangle shape, and this cutout section, that will be the dot 20 mm distance having. And then if you see this prism from the top, your two squares you will have of 40 mm and 20 mm. So to draw the isometric projection, we have to draw the isometric scale first in the solution, because I don't have space to draw this isometric scale. So first you have to draw this scale, and I have also shown this isometric scale in my before isometric projection problem 1 or 2. So how to draw this isometric scale I have shown you. So from there you can watch this, how to draw this scale. So first we have to draw the isometric scale, then orthographic view and isometric projection. Then first what to do, first you have to draw the orthographic view. So how to draw it? By taking a line like this, and in the question this side is having 40 mm. So according to the 40 mm only, true length we are having 40 mm, but we have to take the isometric length to draw this square. Whole dimensions as given in the question, that dimension should be taken on the isometric scale only and draw. Then 40 mm, I am taking now this much, means this much square you have to draw here. Okay, so how to draw this square? First I will take a line like this. Okay, and I will measure that measurement, I will do in that, and this is of this much only, and I will draw one more line like this, and with that same dimension I will draw here and here. Your square of isometric length, which is given 40 mm, has been created. Then the remaining line you can rub it. Then one more square is there of 20 mm, but according to 20 mm we have to take the isometric length on the divider. This much length only we have to draw this square. So I will adjust that length into the scale that I am getting 1.6 mm. So first we have to draw the diagonals from this ends. In this diagonal only you will get 1.6 mm line. Now I am drawing 1.6 here and here 1.6. Automatically you will get 1.6. and your square has been created. Then after drawing the square of this top view, you have to project the lines from these ends till XY line or the normal line, reference lines also it will be called, and from the center also and this square also you have to take the projection lines like this. Then after dark this line, how much you are getting, and from this center only you have to take the axis height. But in the question he has given the axis height 70 mm. This height is 70 mm. So to draw this axis height 70 mm in the isometric projection length only you have to take 70. This one will be this much. So this distance we have to take, and keeping on that end, I'm taking an arc like this. Till there your distance will be created. And from there your axis you will have to draw like this. Then same lateral edges you have to draw that till that much, and draw this line also. And one more, this square having, your square is having this cutout. So if you see this square prism from the front, this cutout is not visible. So for the invisibility, this cutout is invisible. So to show this in the drawing, you have to take a dotted line like this here of having 20 mm distance. So already I am having this isometric scale distance. So from here only you have to take dotted line like this, and from here also. Okay, now your front view of the prism is created, and this is the top view. This is the orthographic view of the square prism hole cutout. Then after we have to show the axis height of this prism, that is 70 mm, and the side of this square is 40, so show the 40 mm only. This is 40, and this square side is 20 mm. Now to draw the isometric projection of the square, first you have to draw a line, imaginary line, this much, and take a dot. On that dot, put your protractor correctly and take 30-degree angle from here and 30-degree angle from here. And with that dots, draw a lines of 30-degree angle like this. How much you want to take, that much convenient you can take. Then after this square, your square, you have to draw this in a rhombus. So how to draw this? I will adjust this square distance in the divider and putting a line here, and same distance will be you are having of that also I am doing, and draw this line dark, that how much we have taken. Okay, show this angle, we have taken 30-degree angle, and this angle also. Then you have drawn these two lines, then the axis height is of 70 mm, but we have to take the isometric length. I have already taken here the isometric length, so I will adjust this distance, and I will take on the scale. By adjusting this, I am getting 5.6 mm. So I will draw these lines, lateral edges from these ends. 5.6 straight, 5.6, 5.6. Okay, now we have to join these lines Okay, the remaining two lines, this lines we have to copy of this length only. So by adjusting your mini drafter to the 30-degree angle correctly and draw a line how much you want to take convenient line, and with this angle and draw a line where these two lines are meeting here, and you will get the another two lines darken. Okay, now your square prism has been created. Now the cutout section 20 mm you have to draw here also. So by taking the distance, already I am having the distance of square prism. So this small square and big square sides we are getting the distance. So adjusting it on the divider and taking an arc like this. Okay, and then here also okay, then after taking that one, adjust your mini drafter with the 30-degree angle line, and from that arcs you have made, draw a line. It should be light. So and for the drawing of that whole cutout we have to draw. For that I am doing, and with this angle adjust your mini drafter, and with that arc draw the lines like this. Your cutout section square has been removed. Then darken. Okay, now you can rub this extra lines you have done. And your square prism of having cutout of 20 mm has been created. Then after you have to show the height of this lateral surface by taking extension lines, dimensioning line, and its height is, axis height is how much? 70 mm. Show the 70 mm, and this is the isometric projection. So this is the complete solution of square prism having a square hole of 20 mm. So guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also watch my videos till the end and practice by yourself, and please press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notification. Thank you.